Unlock your next adventure in seconds with our guide to instantly redeeming your RBC Avion points. First things first, log into your secure RBC online banking account. This is your gateway to all things Avion. Once logged in, navigate to the Avion Rewards section and look for the Travel or Redeem Points option. It's usually prominently displayed. Here, you'll see various ways to use your hard-earned points for instant redemption. Focusing on travel bookings is usually the fastest and most valuable. Let's go with booking a flight. Select flights and enter your desired departure and arrival airports, along with your travel dates. Avion Rewards will then show you available flights, often displaying the cost in both Canadian dollars and the equivalent Avion points. See how quickly you can compare. Choose the flight that suits you best and proceed to the checkout. You'll have a clear option to pay with your Avion points. Confirm your selection, and just like that, your flight is booked and your Avion points are instantly redeemed. No waiting for certificates or vouchers here. The same instant redemption process applies to booking hotels, car rentals, and even some merchandise. Just look for the option to use your points at checkout. Maximizing your RBC Avion points is all about quick, smart redemptions, and now you know exactly how to do it.